In this lesson, we're not talking about myths, motivational fairy tales, or so-called secrets of success. We're talking about the economic laws that actually create wealth in the real world. Today, we'll look at the market laws that shape wealth, and none of this is about luck or talent. What is a market, and why does it create wealth? A market is any system of voluntary exchange, a place where people trade value for money, time, or other resources. A person wants to solve a problem. They buy a solution. A company wants to work faster. It buys technology. A viewer wants entertainment. They pay with their attention or by purchasing a product. The mechanism is simple. Money flows to where the greatest value is created. In other words, people become wealthy when they learn to give the market something that people truly need. The law of supply and demand. This is the fundamental law that determines how much a person or a business can earn. Demand. When people strongly want a product or service, its price goes up. Examples: demand for energy for data centers, massive growth in investment. Demand for AI. Developers and analysts receive huge salaries. Demand for entertainment. Streamers, musicians, and creators see their incomes rise. Supply. When many people can do the same thing, the price goes down. Examples: large numbers of people capable of basic tasks. Low wages, oversaturated niches. Profitability drops close to zero. Avoid markets with excessive supply. Go where your value is rare. The rarer the value you create, the higher the reward the market is willing to pay. Examples: skilled AI engineers are rare. Salaries are high. A unique brand. Can charge almost any price. Rare resources. Have strategic value. Wealth is created where demand meets scarcity. But there is another factor: competition. Competition is when many people fight for the same attention, for the same customer. And this is the natural state of any market. And in this fight, the winner is not the one who simply works harder, but the one who works better, or works differently. Innovation. That's what makes you stand out from competitors. A new technology, a new format, a new approach, a new level of service. Innovation is what separates an ordinary business from a business that earns millions. People become wealthy when they 1. Innovate. They invent a new way to do things faster, do things cheaper, do things better, deliver a new kind of experience. Innovation equals the way out of the battle for pennies. 2. Exceed market expectations. Better service, more customers. Better product, higher prices. Better efficiency, bigger profits. 3. Create differentiation. A unique style, a unique brand, a unique approach, and suddenly you're no longer one of many. You're the only one of your kind. Innovation is the way to outrun everyone else. But even if you're valuable and unique, that's only half of the formula. Real, substantial wealth appears only when that value can be scaled. What is scale? Scale is when the same piece of work generates income again and again without needing to be recreated from scratch. Examples: digital products. A course, a book, software. You create it once, and you can sell it endlessly. Platforms. Netflix, Spotify, Uber. They build an infrastructure that millions of people use. Automated businesses. SaaS products, mobile apps, marketplaces. Why is scale the key to wealth? Because scale separates income from time, and that's exactly why it creates big money. Where do millions actually come from? All major fortunes are built from a combination of 4 factors. 1. High demand. A problem that matters to a large number of people. 2. Scarcity. A uniqueness that is hard to copy. 3. Innovation. An advantage that puts you ahead of the competition. 4. Scale. A mechanism that allows you to earn many times from a single effort. If your project has all 4, you've built a machine that creates wealth. Instead of asking, how do I get rich? The better question is, how can I create value that is high, rare, innovative, and scalable? This question is your roadmap to wealth. Conclusion. So, in this lesson, you saw that wealth is not an accident, not luck, and not magic. It is the result of how market laws operate. In the next lesson, we'll dive into the theory of productivity. Stay tuned.